Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do retraction calibration on your Cura slicer. So basically what you'll need to do is go to marketplace and type calibration figures, and you'll get this auto towers generator. So get this one, then restart your Cura and basically go to the extensions. And right here, if you go to the auto towers and click on retraction tower, you will need to select the distance from 0.0, 0.4 to 1.2 and etc. So select one of those, click OK, and now you'll have a retraction tower. So basically what you'll need to do is slice now and put to your printer and do retraction tower test. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.